Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to upload a YouTube thumbnail using both the YouTube app and Chrome version. This is a simple but important step in optimizing your YouTube videos. So let's dive in. First, let's start with the YouTube app. Open YouTube app and navigate to your video library. Hit Navigate to your video library. Select the video you want to upload thumbnail for. So this is me selecting my video. Tap on your video. So I'll tap on this pencil icon. You see, YouTube will automatically select three images for me. This one image for me. This 1 to 3 is selected for me. But I want to add my own custom thumbnail. To do that, I'll click on this custom thumbnail. Let's say I want to use this one. I'll pick it. But before then, I'll make sure that I crop it. So make sure you crop your thumbnail to fit the size. After this, I'll click on done. That's all. So another way to actually do this is just to do it while uploading your video using YouTube app. To do that, click on your YouTube. Click on your YouTube app. Hit your upload button. Click on video. Select the video you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this video. I'll hit on next. So I will scroll down to see my title, description, added content, and rest of it all. So here I'm only specializing on uploading my thumbnail. Hit on this pencil icon. Option will be given to me. Let's say I want to upload this thumbnail. I'll click on it. So this is how to upload it using your YouTube app. You can do it in 2 ways. We're going now to proceed and upload it using the desktop version. That is their site. That I'll click on my Chrome version. I'll type my www.youtube.studio. So this is me. I'll click on my channel dashboard. So I'll click on my content. This is me on my channel dashboard. I'll click on my content. So I'll click on the title of this video now. Let's say this is the one I want to put the thumbnail. So I'll see this three interface. Upload file. That is me uploading my thumbnail, the custom thumbnail that I've already designed. Upload file. This is me uploading my custom thumbnail, the one I've already designed. Let's say I want to use this one. I'll click on it. Click on done. After uploading it, I'll click on this save. I'll click on this save here. So that is how to do it. To generated, that is in the middle. You see, YouTube have automatically generated 3 for me. They use their hand and choose the 3 for me. YouTube have generated 3 for me. Anyone I click on now will be my thumbnail. So that is how it works. So then test and compare. Test and compare. You see, test and compare different thumbnails. Upload up to 3 images to learn which one viewers prefer. This is me. If I upload 3 different images, 3 different thumbnails. If I upload 3 different thumbnails, YouTube will begin to show it to the viewers. And viewers will begin to click through it. As they are clicking through it, they are taking record. The one that has the highest view is the one that they will The one that has the highest view is the one that YouTube will choose for me. And once they choose it, they will update my video. That one will be my what? Thumbnail. So let me take, for example, let me upload 3 images so that you see it. So test and compare, I'll click on this plus sign to take me to my gallery. I'll select the image I've already designed. Let me do the first one. So let's want to upload this thumbnail. I'll click on this one. Click on done. So this is it uploading. I'll click on the second one, the second plus button. I'll add the second thumbnail. I'll click on done again. You see it uploading. So I've uploaded two. I will not upload the third one because this is just for tutorial purposes. So what this basically means is that YouTube made it that you can choose 3 thumbnails and YouTube can test run it for you. They said upload up to 3 images to know the best one viewers prefer. They are going to test your thumbnail for you. Here is how it works. Upload 3 images to know which one viewers prefer. Upload images you want to test. YouTube will see which one performs the best. Then I have to wait for the results for up to 2 weeks. So to see my reports, I'll go to my videos details page. So what actually happens is that viewers will see your winning thumbnails. YouTube automatically update your video when the test is done. So in a summary, when you put 3 thumbnails here, YouTube will take them all out and they will know the one that viewers prefer. That the viewers prefer. That is the one they click the most when they see it. When it gets to 2 weeks, YouTube will be pushing out that particular one that viewers click. So I'm advising you to always use test and compare because the thumbnail you like may not be the one that your viewers may like. And after everything you did in uploading your thumbnail, whether you use your custom thumbnail, make sure you click on save. If you use auto-generated, make sure you click on save. If you use test and compare, make sure you click on done. If not, you have not do anything. Make sure you do it before you exit the page. Please, if you did not understand anything, feel free to ask me questions on the comment section. Please, if you just find value in what you watch, do not forget to like, share,